Hi, this is the OPPO A18 and I'll show you how to turn on AD option on this device. So let's first open the settings application. Let's just check if we got the always on display feature. So let's check also the display section. Unfortunately, we have now installed by default the AD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So in the search, or maybe I just get before this application. So yeah, you should just download the Muviz Edge application. Okay, so just tap the AD section and select one from the available tabs. Just tap to apply and that's it. Now let's just lock the device and we could see that the AD option successfully enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.